Did you know that Samuel Morse, a painter, received a letter in 1825 informing him of his wife's illness, only to receive another letter the following day saying that she had passed away? When Morse arrived 2 days later, he discovered that his wife had already been buried. Frustrated with the slowness of communication at the time, he was inspired to create a new system of rapid, long-distance communication. Morse developed the Morse code, which utilized a series of dots and dashes to convey messages, revolutionizing long-distance communication and paving the way for modern telegraphy and telecommunications.